All right, fifth graders. Today for this lesson, I'm going to be talking about counting by 10,000s and by 100,000s. So hopefully this chart you see looks familiar. It's just a place value chart where we can shift from one place to the next. So if I am counting by 10,000s, 1/10,000, well, think about what 1/10 is. It's just 10. So 1/10,000 is 10,000. 2 10s is 20. So 2 10,000s is 20,000. Then we can just keep counting. 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, 70,000, 80,000, 90,000, 100,000. And notice how now we have 10, so we can group them up, and we have 100,000. The number doesn't change, but we can represent it because we moved over a place. Let's do another 10. So I have 110, 120, 130, on and on and on, until I get to another 10. We're going to go from our 10,000s place over to our 100,000s place. Now we already have 200,000, so let's keep counting by 100,000s. So 200,000s, now we have 300,000s, 400,000, 500,000, 600,000, 700,000, 800,000, 900,000. Now if I have 10 100,000s after I add this next one, there's no number 10 100,000, but we can regroup it into the millions place, and we have 1 million. So 10 100,000s is the same thing as 1 million. Let's keep going by 100,000s. So 1 million 100,000, then 1 million 200,000, 1 million 300,000, up until we get 9 of them. So I'm going to add one more. We won't have 1 million. What would it be? I don't even know how I would say that number if I had 1 million and then another 10 100,000. 1 million 10 100,000 isn't a number. So I have to take those 10 100,000s and group them up. So now I have 2 million. Okay, let's do some comparing. If I have 81,254, I'm going to compare it to 91,250. Oops. Goodness gracious. What are my numbers doing? 254. There we go. Sorry about that. So we can see that if I look at my 10,000s, here I have 8 10,000s. Here I have 9 10,000s. So the 9 10,000s is going to be greater. So I want to face it that direction. Let's check it. Yep, that 81,000 is less than 91,000. Let's do some with 100,000s now. So if I have 320,000, 250. Look, typed it in right. And now I have, here's my next number. All right, so 320,250 compared to 120,250. If I look at my 300,000s as compared to my 100,000 down here, well, 3 is more than 1, so 320,000 is more, 120,000 is less. So there we go on that. Now I want to think about if we were going to add or subtract some numbers. So say I started with the number 824,195. And I wanted to think, okay, what's 300,000 less? I'm going to abbreviate that, less. Well, I need to figure out what's in my hundred thousands place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000. So currently I have 8 of them. I want 300,000 less. Well, 3 less than 8 is 5. So I have 500,000. And then I still have 24,195. So if I have 781,018 and I'm doing 2 10,000s less this time. So I want to find tens, hundreds, thousands. Oh, ones, tens, hundreds. Sorry about that. Thousands, 10,000s. And I want 2 10,000s less than the 8 I have right now. Well, that's 6. I still have all my other ones. Think about if I was on the place value chart. I still have all my other chips. I just took away those 2. Let's do one more where we're adding something on. So say I started with 385,229. I wanted to do 400,000 more. So how many 100,000s do I have right now? Well, ones, tens, hundreds. Got it that time. Thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Currently I have 3 of them. I want 400,000 more. So I'm going to take that 3, add on 4 more, and I get 700,000. And then I have the rest of my chips or my digits are staying the same. Go ahead and go to your practice sheet and give this a try, and then go and take that exit slip and see how you do. Good luck!